Hi guys! Ayan, ito naman ako, naglalakad. Ayan. Ayun guys, inuun tayo ng little.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. I should I say, good evening to everyone. Standing in front of you, she is candidate number 2. Once again, this is Jaja Angita, 18. I am proud to representing relocation.